Hlengiwe Mhlaba Biography, married, awards albums, and songs. Hlengiwe Mhlaba Biography. Hlengiwe Mhlaba is a South African gospel musician born in 1973 in Kwa, Zulu Natal. Hlengiwe became successful for her debut album Dwala Lami. Hlengiwe Mhlaba age. She was born in 1973 in Kwa, Zulu Natal, South Africa. She is 45 years old as of 2018. Hlengiwe Mhlaba married. She says she has never had a man in her life. However, she has since decided to put a ring on her ring finger. She said, "I call the ring a stop nonsense. When most men see it they turn away. A lot of them come for my money, cars, and fame. Otherwise, how do you explain this sudden interest? When I was a teacher nobody wanted me, but now that I am doing well people want to marry me." She says that it is not that she does not want to get married, but I have not met the right person with the right motives. Also, I am too busy to even think about marriage. Hlengiwe Mhlaba career. Hlengiwe Mhlaba discovered her talent in singing when she was young. She became a household name among the crusade goers, especially in KZN and Swaziland. As years went by, her fan base grew. She had an encounter with Sipho Makabane, who signed her to a Manxusa music production. Her debut album Dwala Lami was released in 2005. Her album had unique sound, voice, and presentation. This introduced Hlengiwe Mhlaba to the rest of the country as the first gospel jazz artist. In 2006 she released another album Yezuyelela. In 2007 she released another album titled Blessings, Izabisiso. In 2008 she had her live DVD Live at Durban Playhouse, which was filmed together with its live CD. Hlengiwe Mhlaba is known for packing top entertainment venues such as the Durban City Hall, the Playhouse, and the Pretoria State Theatre whenever she is booked to entertain gospel music lovers. She has shared platforms with gospel superstar Sipho Makabane, who is also her producer, the late gospel star Mokoena, gospel singer and songwriter Ntoko Zombambo, and the famous Joyous Celebration Group. She has won a South African Music Award and 2 SABC Crown Gospel Awards. Hlengiwe Mhlaba albums. 2005, Dwala Lami. 2009, Halala Kuyu. 2011, Lafalala Igeza. 2012, Abba Baba. 2013, Isandulni Somuza. 2015, Live at the State Theatre. 2016, Blessings. 2017, Edwalini. Hlengiwe Mhlaba songs, Hlengiwe Mhlaba music. 1 Ziamazi Umaluzi. 2 Living Waters. 3 You Are Alpha. 4 Uyelalela. 5 When I Remember. 6 Swakali. 7 Rock of Ages. 8 He Lifted Me. 9 Umthokozasi. 10 Iziji. 11 Anybody. 12 Joy. 13 How I Love Jesus. 14 It's Me. 15 He Gives Me Power. 16 In the Middle of the Night. 17 Abba Baba. 18 Unamandla. 19 Yebonkosi. 20 Ikolupikni. 21 Bekani Ezulwini. 22 Here We Stand. 23 I Love You Lord. 24 Izolaname Lava. 25 Sebabuthwa. 26 Hallelujah. 27 Sweet Jesus. 28 Yabvelwe. 29 I Will Serve No Foreign God. 30 Abushini. 31 Sakaiwi. 32 Lelivangeli. 33 Wakukini Sanjgeza. 34 All-Time Religion. 35 Living Waters. 36 Yezu Yedwe. 37 Holy Zion. 38 Blessing. 39 Remember Me. 40 Thula Wazoo. 41 Kwazamazama. 42 Isandalni. 43 We Praise Jesus. 44 Nji Yakuthanda. 45 The Story of Three Men. 46 After Today. 47 The Power and the Glory. 48 Lift Me to the Rock. 49 Jesus is the Answer. 50 is Intwini Zonki. Hlengiwe Mhlaba MP3 downloads. Hlengiwe Mhlaba songs download. To download all Hlengiwe Mhlaba songs, click the following link: https://bluemp3.ru/mp3-hlengiwe-mhlaba-online. Hlengiwe Mhlaba contact details. Her contact details will be updated soon. Hlengiwe Mhlaba Awards. Best Contemporary Gospel at the 14th South African Music Awards. Best Traditional Gospel Award at the First Crown Gospel Awards. Best Classic of All Time for her song Dwala Lami at the Second Crown Gospel Award.